Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy PAAL AI Coin. To get this coin, open up your browser and log on to CoinMarketCap. The link will be in the description. Now, if you scroll down, you'd find its Ethereum contract address. Copy the Ethereum contract address, and if you scroll a bit more, you'd find the market section. Now, the market section is where this coin is being traded, and as you can see, it's being traded on the Huobi exchange, which is the centralized exchange, and Uniswap, which is for the decentralized. All right, so with this in mind, we are going to be opening up the Huobi app, which is HTX. So click on HTX and open it up. And once you've opened up the application, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, use our link in the description to register and verify your account to stand a chance to claim some bonuses and welcome gifts. So once you've done this, how can you get yourself some of the PAAL AI coin? It's quite easy. All you need to do is head to the assets menu at the bottom right, then simply click on the deposit icon you find. Once you've selected deposit, all you need to do now is simply deposit USDT or any cryptocurrency that can be converted into the USDT. It's that simple. All right, so with the USDT deposited, you could also use the P2P trade that is just here to simply get yourself some cryptocurrency. Let's say you do not have cryptocurrency that exists outside of Huobi, so click on P2P trade and you'll be able to get or buy some of this using your local currency. All right, guys. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have the spot wallet, where we have BTC USDT. Click on this drop down and search for PAAL USDT. Click on this token, and where we have limit order, this is your trading type. So move from limit order to market order. Market order is us simply buying at the exact price of the market. So if the market goes up to 0.3, we buy there. If it goes down to 0.1, we buy. So right now it's 0.233, so we're going to be buying at this price. All you need to do is enter an amount of USDT and simply click on buy. So once it's done, head to the assets menu where you have your spot wallet, simply reload and you'd find the USDT, you'd find the PAAL coin here. All right, guys. Now, on a decentralized exchange, minimize and open up your MetaMask. Once your MetaMask app opens up, in order to add the PAAL AI coin to your wallet, click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the contract address we had just copied from, click on next once more and click on import. Now, in order to add the token to your wallet, we've added the token to your wallet. In order to buy the token, you're going to need some Ethereum to cover transactions and to also swap. So click on buy ETH and all right, guys, so you'd find the amount to buy menu. So this is where you can simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. You could buy it in your local currency such as the US dollar, the Australian dollar, the Brazilian real. So once you've entered an amount you wish to buy, all you need to do now is simply select your payment option. You have the Google Pay, your debit or credit, SEPA bank transfer or Kipu. These are all methods of getting yourself some crypto on your wallet. So once you're done, click on get quotes and complete the transaction. All right, guys, so once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum, that is this Ethereum here for transactions, head to the browser icon at the bottom right. Once there, use the search icon at the bottom of the screen here, the bottom of the tab, to search for app.uniswap.org. Once there, make sure you connect your wallet to the platform. To do this, all you need to do is simply click on the connect icon or click on the connect text at the top right corner of the screen. You'd see an option to connect your wallet. If you do not, just click on the power icon there to simply connect or disconnect your wallet from the website. So simply click on the icon at the top right, and once you select the icon at the top right, you'd find the power icon. You could use this to connect or disconnect your wallet. All right, so once it's done, click on select token, paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap, and then simply select the PAAL AI coin. So click on PAAL, click on I understand, and boom. So simply enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to convert into the PAAL coin, and then proceed to pay the gas fee of $2 for $12 worth of ETH for $12 worth of PAAL. And once you've paid, once you've clicked on swap, head to the wallet section, perform a reload, scroll through, and you find the PAAL AI on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe.